Hey babes, what's up? It's Lorena. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. So you guys, this was my Halloween look and it took a lot longer than I thought it would because, as you may or may not know, I don't wear colorful shadow at all. So this was my first try in a very long time and I really enjoyed it. I thought this look was super cool. I love the show Euphoria. If you guys watch it too, comment down below, let me know what your favorite character is. Of course, this look is inspired by the amazing and fabulous Maddy Perez, who is played by Alexa Demie, who is just as fabulous in real life as she is on the show. And I just got so much inspiration from her on the show and off the show to create this look. I even made the jeans and I'm so excited to share with you guys how I made these jeans. In case you want to see it, it'll be in a video probably in a few days. But yeah, without further ado, let's get into this look. Now I got my hair trimmed today and it's been a much needed trim. I don't think I've had a haircut since like last year and it's October, so it was very needed. And I decided to plop it, which is a new method I've been learning about, which basically just helps like natural curls set into your hair. So I kind of just clipped it while it's still drying so the curls get scrunched up and stuff. And I've already done my skincare routine. I've also already applied my primer and foundation. I'm wearing the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Soft Matte Longwear Foundation. I've already done my eyebrows and I also look very weird because I put some tape right here to make sure when I place the eyeshadow it stays nice and sharp. So I have two eyeshadow palettes right here and I had originally planned to do an electric purple look with a different palette, but it's not gonna go with the look I'm gonna be wearing for today, so I decided to do more of like a blue color. But I think I'm gonna go with Varadero from the Alamar Cosmetics palette, and this is the Reina del Caribe eyeshadow palette volume 1. I got it in my BoxyCharm, so it's this shade. And you guys know I never wear colorful shades like this, so this is a new for me. But I'm excited and I feel like I'm definitely going to be experimenting with more colorful shades this holiday season. Alright, so I'm taking this Real Techniques base shadow brush. It's just very fluffy and I'm reaching for this Violet Boss palette. I'm going to be taking the shade Sand, which is just a very neutral peachy shade that kind of goes with my skin tone, and I'm just going to be popping it in the crease. Next, I am reaching for this Dusty Rose color just to add a little bit more pigment to that and a little more dimension. It's a little intense, so I'm taking this Alamar Cosmetics Fluffy Blending Brush and just blending it out a little more. I just want this to look very natural, like it's our natural pink eyelid. I'm going to go ahead and use this Luxie 245 small shader brush and dip it into our main color. This is the Varadero blue. It's like a royal electric blue shade, and just pop that on my lid. Try to keep it as tight as possible so when like your lid folds right here, like it doesn't go over that. But we'll see if I'm successful at doing it. Alright you guys, so far that looks okay. Again, we're going to clean it up and everything so it doesn't have to be perfect. As you can see, like it's not super straight, but I tried my best. Now I'm going to remove these little pieces of tape and I'm going to start to put on my concealer. Well, first I'm going to use my beauty blender that already has some leftover foundation, and I'm just going to tap that in there to make sure it's still nice and blended, and then I'm gonna go in with the concealer. So now I'm going in with one of my new favorites. This is the Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. It's super coverage in the shade Pearl. I'm gonna put it everywhere I typically do, in like a triangle under my eyes, down my nose, and a little bit on my forehead, just kind of dotted, and right above my lip. And then I'm gonna take my $1 Billion Brows charcoal sponge and just blend everything out. So right now on camera my concealer looks super white, and I promise you guys in person it matches a lot more. So I'm gonna try to see if I can fix the lighting so it doesn't look like that. I'm gonna take the Revolution Bacon Blot Powder in the shade Banana Light, and this is one of my absolute favorites. I love using a pressed powder to bake. It's so much less messy, and I feel like it gives you such like a much more flawless coverage. So now I'm gonna go ahead and curl my lashes. And now I'm just going to go in with this Laura Geller New York mascara in black. And I love the brush. It's super nice and fluffy. So while my lashes dry, I'm going to go in with this Pretty Vulgar Nesting Bleep face palette. And this is so cute. I really love the packaging. Reminds me of Breakfast at Tiffany's. And the shades are very beautiful. It's just such great pigmentation. It's not chalky. It blends in very well. And let's go ahead and do our contour. I'm using this Japanese contour brush. And I'm going to take this Son of a Bee bronzer. It's a matte shade very similar to the Hoola one, and I'm just gonna go ahead and take it slightly above this area because I saw a tutorial on TikTok. I know TikTok changed my life, but it helps you make your face look a lot slender than when you do it here. So it's just gonna be slightly higher up and more at an angle. So I did go in a little hardcore with the bronzer. I'm still gonna try to blend it a little more, but I did just use this Japanese 718 fluffy buffer brush to kind of just buff it all out, and it worked really great. I really love this brush. It's very nice and dense, and it really helps blend things easily. I'm gonna try to go in with a little less bronzer, kind of on the chin area to kind of sculpt this a little bit more, and then I might do a little bit on my forehead. Alright, so this is all helping to bring more color and definition to the face. So I'm going to go ahead and do the nose because this area looks too white now. I'm going to take that same Son of a Bee. So, oh, it was Son of a Bee, not Son of a Bee. Bronzer shade, and I'm going to take it down my nose to contour it and make it a little bit more defined and sharp. And now I'm going to go ahead and add blush. I'm actually going to go in with this Hush blush shade. I think it's very nice and pretty. A mauve pink is perfect for this look. So I'm going to go ahead and tap, tap, tap. So now I'm going to take these Kiss lashes in the style Veil. They've been my favorites lately. And I'm also taking this Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive with Aloe in clear. I definitely like it a lot more than the Duo one lately. I don't know why, it just works better. And I'm just going to go ahead and put it on the strip. I always have a hard time of trying to get as close to the lash line as possible with my falsies. So sometimes when there's little gaps in between them, I just fill it in with this Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in the shade Perversion. It's really nice and dark, and it really fills in those spots. I'm gonna go do that right now. Okay, that looks a lot better. I think it's on, and then I just have to add the black liner, but I want to give it a second to really dry and set in. But right now I'm going to start pulling out my stones, which I'm so excited about. So I ordered this pack from Amazon. It comes with 3. These are gold, these are silver, and these are kind of like that rainbowy, pretty sparkly ones. So I'm going to use this, and I'm just going to put them right here in this area, and then right in here, inspired by Alexa Demie's look. So we'll see how it goes because these are a little bit hard to put on, but I do like that they already have the little sticky part, so you don't have to worry about putting glue on them, which is a whole nother hassle. As you can see, it has small, medium, and large ones. So I'm going to use the medium ones and go outward to smaller ones, and I'm also going to use medium ones and go into smaller ones in the crease. We'll see how it looks. So you guys, my camera died, of course, but I'm using my phone camera right now, and I'm noticing that the lighting is a lot better on this one currently, so we'll see. These are the stones I've already applied. I'm going to do the ones in the crease. Still taking these medium ones right here, and I'm going to put them in the crease. I used to be so scared of doing rhinestones on my makeup, but Euphoria, the show, has taught me that it's okay to experiment and try new things. And I don't know why I used to just be so scared of like doing colorful makeup. If I don't like it, I can always take it off. I'm not gonna lie, it was a little hard placing them, but it looks good. Alright you guys, so this is what it looks like. I really like how it came out. I was gonna do this whole thing, this whole like star explosion on this side of my face too, but I thought it might be too much, or I don't know. I really liked how it looked on one side. I thought it made it very like interesting. I finished off my lips with the Fenty Beauty lipstick in the shade Spanked. So it's this beautiful dark mauve color, perfect for Latina skin tone. So this is what I did for hair and makeup. I parted my hair down the middle and then I kind of slicked it down because it's typically very poofy and voluminous. I didn't really like the to the side look. It felt very 80s to me. So I decided to play around with these berets. They're very pretty and blinged out. And now the focal point is the side view. So now I'm gonna go get dressed and show you guys the rest of my makeup, and hopefully I can use my other camera. This is the finished look. I decided to take off the berets because the big curly hair made it a lot more flirty, I think. And I added these hoops from Fashion Nova. They have little silver rhinestones, but they're gold. And yeah, this is the makeup. This is my Euphoria inspired outfit. For my top, I am wearing this very Renaissance art inspired mesh bodysuit. Underneath, I'm wearing a very strappy bralette. My favorite part is the blinged out ripped jeans. I'll be showing you how I DIY'd them in my next video, so stay tuned. And to finish off the outfit, I added my chunky combat boots, and that's it. You're ready to go. So you guys, that's it for my Halloween makeup, hair, and outfit. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, I was super inspired by Euphoria and the character of Maddy Perez, as well as the actress Alexa Demie who plays her. I love their style, and it's very, very different from my own, but I still like to explore new stuff, and I wanted to try it out, and it made me feel so cool and hip. So if you guys would like to see more styles like this or more makeup looks that are quite different than what I usually make, comment down below and let me know. But other than that, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.